Hi, my name is Emily Schaefer, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of ACUTV's own Macon Orr Studios here in Don Morris on the ACU campus. Over the last 5 years, this space has been totally renovated to a state-of-the-art production facility for ACU students and staff to create content in. ACUTV is comprised of over 60 students from over 15 majors on campus and produces more than 150 live events a year, including 70 ESPN Plus games, Wildcat Week, Chapel, and Sing Song. Each position behind me offers students real-world experiences and learning opportunities for 4 years. During most games, each of these chairs is filled with students as they produce games for ESPN Plus and video board usage in our own on-campus stadiums. Students are encouraged to get experience in each position throughout their 4 years of working here at ACUTV, so that when they graduate from ACU, they will be well-rounded in this field. Now we're transitioning into the Orr Studio, where we will see how the space has been transformed over the past several years for students to work in lockstep with those in the control room during classes and live events. This space has been completely renovated over the last several years in order to provide a flexible space for both students and staff here on campus to produce live and taped events to promote the university. Starting in 2017, JMC faculty and staff members teamed up with Dr. Neil Santana, Associate Professor of Art and Design, to start dreaming of how this space could be turned into a multi-purpose studio. Over the next 2 years, Dr. Santana designed 3 different sets that would provide a flexible space for students and staff to promote ACU in different ways, such as daily classes, the Optimist newscast, coaches shows, ESPN Plus halftime shows, a live 6-hour presidential election show, and countless ACU promotional pieces. Thank you for joining us today on this tour of our Macon Orr Studios here at ACU TV.